This is the ScratchJr Project Demo session. After watching this demo, you have to arrange code blocks for this demo. To start the demo, let me to click green flag. Now look here, this is the demo. Now I like to stop this demo by clicking on this stop button. To arrange the code blocks for this demo, if you are getting any problem, just you can pause this video and study these code blocks to get the idea. These code blocks are written for this character, and for next character these code blocks are written. I hope you got the idea. Now it's your turn to arrange these code blocks for this demo.